Round 1. Mittens versus Buster. The age-old rivalry explodes onto the rooftop, the narrator said with excitement and energy. Mittens, quick and agile, makes the first move. Woof! Buster barked aggressively. Buster's bark is a distraction. He's playing it smart. Mittens takes to the high ground. But wait, Buster remembers a previous encounter, a painful lesson learned. He remembers, and he's ready. Buster is anticipating Mittens' every move, preparing for the perfect counter. The tackle, it connects. Mittens is caught completely off guard. Mittens is down. Buster has taken round 1. Woof! Who's the top dog now? Buster taunted